Simon Ekpa vowed to embark on 4 days lockdown in Biafra land. As that one dey happen, they say some landlord for Lagos State don vow say they no go take their investment back to Southeast. Say Lagos, there they die. No be small thing o. As that one don happen, now one Igbo man don show off in multi-billion naira investment and house mansion in northern part of the country called Nigeria. Things dey happen o. We go find out how all these things take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here to bring you back to back update as e dey hot. May you make sure say they follow this channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as it dey hot. Okay my people, let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. They say one of Igbo landlady for Lagos on this conversation don talk say he no go come back to Southeast. So he say Southeast no go contain anybody if all of them come back. I will go play you the video as they talk this thing. May you listen for waiting this our sister they talk for a mouth before we come back and proceed.
Some people said, hey, you better come back. You better come back to the east. You better come back and do what? Come back to the east and do what? I say again, it's not any better channel about east. Do you think everybody, all the Igbos, Lotana East, Lotana and Igbo, it's not Yabamad? Yeah? Do you think the East will contain all of us? I better shut up. We go nowhere. After this demolition, we are going to buy land and build another house. But the only thing is that when buying another land, we have to follow due process. We have to buy a land that have CFO. We will not just buy anyhow land or buy land from all these Abu or all these Yahweh people. You are going to go to the real source, to the right source, to buy a land and build a house, because we still need roof over our head. We still need roof over our head. As far as we are still doing, as far as we are still living in this Lagos, our business is still here. Our family are still here. My brother, we will still build another house, but we will follow due process. We will buy a land that have CFO, not anyhow land. Do you understand? That is the only difference. But how come I ain't asking Molotana, come back and do what? Come back, Gambia Megini. I need Balatacha which I baggy. Do you think Igbo land will contain all of us? I beg shift your. You like East, enjoy your East. Me, I like Lagos. I'm enjoying my Lagos. Yes. At least this thing that happened, I've opened so many people. I've opened our eyes that you don't just buy property anyhow. You don't just establish, you don't just buy property anyhow or develop it. Before you buy a property, make proper investigation. Do you understand? Make proper investigation. But how can you ask him we should start coming back? We will need roof over our head. It doesn't mean that you will not be buying, you will not be building in the east. Though. You will, but at least as far as you are living here and your business is here, we need roof over our head and we need to be comfortable. If God bless you, comfortable after the hustling and bubbling of this Lagos, you lie the relax and make your life enjoy.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shepiona don't hear them. They say agbawanti manti anodo. Mbagi buku isi agi buruko ya ni aboshi na so it be. My people, Shona don't hear them. I want me you leave your own contribution for this thing. with this our sister talk. He say he no go come back. Oh, say Lagos there he die. Say he don't call Lagos. Be say he don't call Lagos. However, we will quickly jump into the another matter we will get for hand. May you tell us what you think for comment section. They say that the PM of Biafra government in exile will be Simon Ekpa. He don't talk say he's backing on 4 days lockdown for Southeast for inside Biafra land. Say because say the Nigeria government is now Islamic country, and for that he want to Islamic everybody. May everybody become Islam for inside the country. As that one they happen, Simon said the Biafra will never be part of this. A lot of people don't come up come talk say this lockdown it done too much. Say make him bring another strategy wey be say im go work, and the thing wey be say go hit Nigeria people, Nigeria government, so that they go feel am. Say this lockdown wey they do, e say e no go help us go anywhere. Most of una whenever watch the video where Simon Ekpa they talk this thing, I will play the video for you. May you listen, and we will come back and continue.
For forcefully trying to Islamize us, we are going to embark on a civil disobedience to make sure that those enablers within Biafra land, from the senators to the governors to the local government chairman to the House of Assembly to everybody, the state, the Nigeria state that represent Nigeria state in Biafra land, will feel the impact of the resistance of the Biafra people. Christmas is coming. December is coming. You cannot enjoy Christmas while you are living in an Islamic state country. And so, listen to the following announcement. Since the church and Christians in Biafra land have refused to speak up in one voice against the systematic conquest of our own people, listen to what is going to happen next month, December. For forcefully trying to Islamize us, the Biafra government is announcing a complete 4 days lockdown before the Christmas. And this is going to sound as a warning for what is to come. I want to encourage the entire Biafra people, especially the business people, to understand that these particular measures we are putting in place, it is not targeted at punishing you. No, but it is targeted at making sacrifice and speaking to the people and the power that be. It is also targeted at demonstrating that we are ready to sacrifice anything for our freedom. So from the 15th of December, Biafra land will be locked down on curfew. Not just sit at home, it is going to be curfew. This particular curfew is to demonstrate our displeasure, our anger, that today we are being addressed.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, as you don't hear from direct from the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, will be Simon Ekpa. Don't talk. I want me you leave your own opinion for this way in talk, and because I can see so many, because this video I want to get people view before I will update my own video. So I'll be waiting to get all the whole view and I hear what people are saying. And remember that in this channel we'll tell you the fact and how it is. So if you like, you take. If you like, you don't take. Some people have been saying that there should be another strategy that will make Nigeria government to listen and to make them to succor to the last. Some people are writing, why don't we start to attack any resources that Nigeria government are taking from Southeast? We have oils, we have so many things that are taken from Southeast, so that when they stop getting all those things, I think they have to pay attention of so many things. Some people are bringing so many suggestions and view, but I don't know if Simon Ekpa and his cabinet are reading all those comments, because it's very necessary that you hear from the public. It's very necessary that you hear not just some. When you see some people attacking people in comment section, check them, they don't have profile picture. So I was in kind of imagine, are those people animals? Who are they? Because people's voice, people's opinion will guide you as a leader for you to get the clear things of what you actually need for your people. So this is our piece of our advice for Simon Ekpa. If truly that this Biafra we are going to realize it, we have to be listening to our people. We have to listen for the people out there. Forget those people who are busy attacking people on social media. Fine, keep doing that, but we have to strategize. Nigeria is a country that is not even Hausa and Yoruba and the Fulani are ruling the country. It's international are ruling this country. British are ruling the country. America are ruling this country. When a thing like this come up, they will sit and talk and talk. So for Biafra to defeat them, you have to get public view and also bring a concrete this thing in other way to make them succor for what we are asking for. For me, sit at home. We have showed it. The one we are doing on Monday for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is enough. We will restrategize and go for something bigger that will hit Nigeria and make them to listen to what we are saying. This is our piece of advice. For those of you who like to attack somebody, keep on attacking and keep insulting. You are free, have internet to do so. For those of you who reason and listen for what we say, you understand that what we say, there is sense on it. My people, let's quickly jump into the next matter we will get for our hands today. As we are crying of the demolition of our people's home in Lagos, they say one of our brother don't show off in a multi-billion naira house he built in whether is it in Kano or wherever he built that, but I'm going to show you the house for you to see. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
To go. You think that I'm not me, you know. Yeah, this other side, coffee. This one easy by. This one easy by any state. You can't go get the money now. I'm out peli. If you want to get Gianna, you do your vlog. I'm telling you. Voilà. The main thing, you know, I talk with the kids saying me.
Yes.
Nah, Janta, be afraid. I'm going to go in the field. One burger in a no in a dozen so in a with you.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this house is massive. This is what we called multi-billion naira mansion. This is in Kano that this our brother built this house. Well, we wish you well, brother, but make sure you have something like this in your hometown as well, in case of so that you won't be yeah, my people, we would like you people to contribute on this update that will show you here today. I want you to tell us your own view. I want you to leave your own opinion in comment section as it is hot. We will quickly see you for the next update. Thank you so much for watching.